going on, guys? It's another day, another wave here in Tofino, BC. We're down at Cox Bay again. We've been keeping eyes on it all day, and so far it doesn't really look like anything too special. You can see a few kind of insiders sneaking through. It looks like a lot of paddling, a lot of closeout sets. Just another classic day at the bay. But in between all that hecticness, there is some pretty crazy looking insiders, almost a couple hollow looking ones, definitely a couple turns. Like I say every time, you never really know what you're gonna get until you get out there in the water. So without further ado, let's get it. We're trying out the Buell RB2 wetsuit today, and there's still snow on the ground. It's about 1 degree, so shout out to Buell for giving us the warm suit and letting us try it out. Gotta give me a fist bump for the camera. Oh, yeah. Woo. All right, so we're back for round 2. This morning there was a few good ones, but man, we mostly got skunked for the session, got pretty worked. You know, it happens out here, and all we can do is just give it another try. So we're gonna paddle out to a peak a little further down the beach than before and see if we find anything different. Let's go. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to support my work and help grow this channel. You can shop Tofino surf prints, handmade surf art, and more on my website at www.tofinosurfphotography.com. Don't forget to check out our Instagram and Facebook at Tofino Surf Photography for more photos, videos, and content. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. We'll see you in the next one.